Peacenplants, my botanical family. It's all about the Carpenter Bees. It's all about the Carpenter Bees. Beautiful, 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 beneficial insects. Don't be afraid, please. As long as you are on the frequency, you need not be afraid. I want to let you know my camera was absolutely entirely too small to capture every carpenter bee that was swarming around me at the time. But it was a fest, y'all. I'm just teaching the importance of not being afraid of your foundation, not being afraid of who you are and where you're from. You see, carpenter bees come from wood. They don't come from wood, but they like to eat the wood. They nestle in the wood. They burrow in the wood. They create their nests in the wood. So you want to be very careful when you get patios or things like that. Always, always treat your wood. Now look at this beautiful phenomenon. I literally asked the bee to just slow down. I said, one of you guys, please. And this one came to bless us. Very beneficial.